Hey there! If you are trying to grow your company page followers on LinkedIn, this one's for you. Today I'll show you how to automatically invite your connections to follow a LinkedIn company page, using Linked Helper, of course. This action is perfect for building brand awareness and strengthening social proof. Growing your company page followers boosts credibility. Here's how to set it up in Linked Helper. Firstly, you need to get the URL of your company page on LinkedIn. Copy it and paste it in some notepad. We'll need it later. Now I'm going to create a campaign and I'm going to use a template. So here in the gallery, I'm going to find this one, invite first connections to follow organizations. Continue with selected template and now follow the campaign generator steps. And as a first step, you need to add that URL. Paste it right here. Then let's go to the next step. And here you can create your first message that will be sent before you invite them to follow your organization. Here are some you can use. Start with building rapport, making connection. Once they've had a few touch points with you, then the invite to follow your organization page feels like a natural next step, not a cold ask. Uncheck this option if you want to continue with your messages. You can also set a delay between the messages here. If not, click Finish. And voila, the campaign has been just created. So this is a workflow I have. Here the invite comes after a few light touches, messages that build interest and create familiarity. By the time you ask them to follow your company page, it feels natural. Now you add profiles to your campaign. Once everything is set, start the campaign, sit back and relax, while Linked Helper is doing all the work for you. Keep in mind that if you are an admin, your invite credits are shared with other admins too. Also, the invite feature on LinkedIn works only when your company page is fully set up, so don't forget to add description, logo, industry, and so on. And that's it! Add the invite to follow organization action in your workflow and start growing those company page followers on autopilot. Don't forget to subscribe if you want more tips like this, and see you in the next one.